Welcome to this time management course. My name is Emilio José García and I will be guiding you through this course. It is not a coincidence that you are here. You found this course for a reason, and I am so excited to support you in this journey of discovery and transformation. I am very passionate about intentional time management. Time is our most precious resource. We only have 24 hours every day. The way we manage our time can have a huge impact in every other area of our lives. In this session, I want to share with you what you will learn in this course and the structure that we will follow. This information will help you make the most out of our time together and take action with more intention and confidence. In session 2, you will have time to set your intentions for this course. We will also look at your current frustrations and reframe them into new empowering intentions. Session 3 will be all about becoming aware and accepting your current situation, the reality of your life now. You will learn a very powerful and simple exercise that will allow you to uncover the truth, so that you can reflect and start making changes. Session 4 will help you process all your mental and emotional blockages that you may experience along this journey. You will learn a practical step-by-step method to follow when you face strong emotions, limiting beliefs, and any other emotional charge. In session 5, we will cover interruptions, communication, and healthy boundaries. In session 6, you will learn how organization strategies can help you avoid wasting time, set up more productive environments, feel more focused, and improve your overall mental and emotional health. When you feel well, you will have more energy to be more intentional with your time. In session 7, you will discover how to understand your brain better. You will learn about executive functioning skills and how they can help you optimize your time management skills. Session 8 will be packed with practical and playful time management strategies. In Session 9, you will take everything that you have learned and integrate it in your week. You will learn a very powerful exercise called Designing Your Ideal Week. You will create ceremonies and routines that will change your life. The last session, Session 10, will be all about testing, tweaking, and maintaining all the changes that you have created. I invite you to be open-minded and willing to try new ways to manage your time and your energy. Since 2012, I have had the opportunity to help many people with time management, and I have seen what works and what doesn't. When you do something many times, you get to learn quickly mistakes to avoid, strategies to use, and helpful strategies to process emotions that show up. I myself have gone through a very deep discovery journey with my own time management, especially since I started my own business with my partner back in 2012, and we had to figure out how to structure our days, weeks, months, and years. Everything I have included in this course is what I would have loved to learn when I got started with my time management journey. The structure of this course has been created by my own experience, by the experience of working with hundreds one-on-one, from the feedback of the over 200 workshop attendants, and by the comments and requests from over 15,000 students that have taken our courses globally. I am so grateful to have had the opportunity to learn so much from others, and to now have the opportunity to share with you, so that you can also benefit from it. When you start questioning your current life, the choices you make, how you behave, and start making changes, you will face resistance to change. This resistance may show up in many different ways. That's why it's so important to notice it, accept it, understand it, and process it in a way that feels good to you. I can't wait to get started sharing all these things with you. You are about to make amazing changes in your life that will impact you and everybody around you. Now I want you to enjoy some time by yourself. You can use this time to relax, to reflect about the reasons why you chose to be here, to visualize new opportunities for you, to connect with new intentions in different areas of your life. Just follow your intuition and enjoy. Thank you for your courage and willingness to change. In the next session, you will start setting new empowering intentions and understanding current frustrations. If you have any questions, please use the course Classroom. It's available to you anytime you need support. I will see you in the next session. Adiós.